I can be your alibi, I can be your boy. Will you tell your friends about me? I wanted everything, now I want it more. Deliver it in racks, 'cause I don't understand the pretty things you tell me. I don't want to be held responsible for those. Only with an asteroid, if I can change its course, rescue everyone safely from indoors. I believe in anything that holds a loving force. I believe these words. Do you believe in yours? 'Cause I don't understand the pretty things you tell me. I don't want to be held responsible for those. I don't want to be held responsible for those. I don't want to be held accountable for those.
Play a song that I always fuck up because I don't have the markings.
Oh.
And I'll not fuck it up this time.
Fingers crossed.
Catherine of Aragon was happy sometimes. I'll save her as my log screen, capturing an image of peace and grey haze in a medium normally dry and stale, fine and cool. I've discovered magic now. I can tell you the truth, I can tell you the truth. However it appears to me will be the same to you. Fundamentally true forever. Waiting in the